Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I will change the relays board because I have a better version. So I would like to show you this thing because maybe you have to do the same thing on your Falcon. So let's do this thing immediately and let's do it together. Okay, so I would like to change this relays board with something different because I have now different kind of relays and I would like to install it. This is the new relay, one per channel, and it is better because you can choose with this jumper if it starts on or start on off. So let's go. I will remove this old relay board, and of course you can find the link in the description. So basically we must put these here, and for the moment I have only two of this one, so this is the idea, something like that, and other two here and here. We can put other two here and here, and now I will show you how to plug it. So basically I use this tape so I can put it here in this way, and after that I need power, so we can start from this relay connector here, and you can use this jumper male, female, and two of this one for positive pole and negative pole. So I can plug one female here and one other here, and now to the relay. Okay, so this is the positive, so I can put it here, and with a screwdriver, where is it? Okay, with a screwdriver I do this, and this is the negative here. Then I need the pin, so the first channel, so with another male female I will connect, if I remember right, this is the pin number 1, and of course I can test it immediately. Okay, now this is the connector of the fence, of the 6 fence, this one. So basically I have to connect it in this way. From this point of our board we have 9 volts and 1 ampere because in this moment the power supply is 9 volts 1 ampere. So I need one cable from here directly to the relay and one other to the cable, to the fence cable here. The other pole will go directly in the relay. Of course, don't worry because we'll provide you manual and all that you need to do this job. So let's go. So maybe I need the longest cable, so I use this one, and I plug this directly in the... no, I need one other, it's short. Okay, in this case I will plug this here in the relay, and this one here. So now I can test the 6 fans here. I can test it, of course, with the remote control. So if I press relay number 1, we have the 6 fans on. It works very, very well. Of course, now we must do some cable management because there is a lot of wires here, and I suggest you to do a very, very good cable management because everything it works well. So let's go with some cable management, and then I will show you the complete work. Of course, when you put this board inside the Falcon, you need some spacers. You can use everything you want, and you can put this part inside our board holes, and the female part above the original Falcon position. I suggest you to use hot glue on the Falcon, so you can put this board in this way. You need to do this because to avoid any short circuit. Okay, so now with the glue I will put these spacers in position. So I do this, and in this way they are safe forever. This is very important because the board must be distanced from the lower hull. Okay, this is the glue, and at the end, of course, you can use the board holes. Okay, so let's put the board on top, here and here. You can press a little, okay. So you can use something like that for the cable management. You can put it everywhere. So for example here. This way, this way. Okay, then we can use this one here and here. Okay, also here and here. Also here and here. So basically this is the way. You can use some of these strong wires for do this, and you can put the ramp wires here, and basically this is the job. So let's do a quick test.
Han Solo. I'm Captain of the Millennium Falcon.
Okay. Okay, let's do a quick test of the relay number 1. This one. Number 4. It works. Okay, now you have to do the same thing for the other 3 channels. Of course, you need to you need the power from here for the other 3, and of course you must use the same jumpers, the same wires, male female, for channel 2, 3 and 4. Remember that relay number 4, it is for the NeoPixel LEDs strip. Okay, so basically I have used this wire for the second relay, and this goes here in the channel 2. Now I need power, so I can try to use 2 very short male wires, and I can try to do this. I can put this here, this here. Okay, I screw it. Okay, and basically I would like to put this inside the same hole of the first relay. I would like to try this. Maybe it works. I don't know, but maybe it's better to turn off. Okay. Okay, 2 in the same hole. Maybe it's not a good idea, but I would like to try the same. And the same here. Let's try to do this. Okay. Okay, maybe it's done. And this here. Okay, let's try it. So, okay.
Han Solo. I'm Captain of the Millennium Falcon.
Okay. And it works with the remote control. If I press relay number 2, on, off. On, off, on, off. It works. Okay, so basically you have to do the same thing for the other two channels, 3 and 4. So you can put the power from here, from the number 2 to the number 3, and then from the number 3 to the number 4. The channel 3 and 4 are these, and then here, in this point here, you can plug everything you want. That's all. Okay, that's all. Very simple, very easy, very fast. I suggest you to use this kind of relays, and I will give you the link in the description, so you can find it also on your amazon.com or .it. And this is the best solution. So that's all for this video. Give me a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and see you soon in the next days with the second part of the remote control demo. See you soon. Cheers!